name's James McLean. I'm the Senior Technical Support Rep based up at the Sangaban Technical Academy at Kirby Thorn, Cumbria. So we're going to be installing a thermaline PIR board which is bonded to the existing plasterwork using gyprock sealant. We've also used a quantity of drywall adhesive just to seal any gaps between the skirting board and the existing plasterwork, just to minimise any airflow behind the boards. We're using a 93mm thermaline PIR board, as that was the one that was selected via the U-value calculation that we had done on the construction of the building. It's a new product that we launched a couple of weeks ago. It's a lot more cost effective than other high performance thermal boards on the market. Currently we have 4 systems which have BBA approval. The installer would select the system based on the U-value calculation and also on the condition of the existing plasterwork. If the plasterwork is loose and obviously unsuitable to fix directly to, then that would have to be removed, and you would look at using the Dryliner TL system. If the existing plasterwork is sound and stuck to the background like it is in this property, then you could just bond directly to the existing plasterwork using gyprock sealant. If the wall's a long way out of plumb and you want to level it up, you could use Gypliner, or if the wall's a long way out of level and you've got enough room space, you could use Gypliner independent wall lining, which is totally obviously independent from the existing backgrounds. Installing thermaline plaster boards will make a big cost saving to the actual owners of the property, obviously over the period of time that these systems are installed. It's all about the detailing, so making sure the gaps between when you remove the skirtings, the gap between the existing floorboards and the existing plasterwork is backfilled using a gypsum-based compound such as drywall adhesive or one of the British gypsum thistle plasters. Also making sure you continue the thermal insulation around any reveals so you minimise any thermal bridging. British Gypsum offer Spec-Sure, which is a product guarantee that as long as the products have been installed as per our recommendations, we'll guarantee that they perform for 25 years. If systems are being installed under Green Deal funding or under Eco funding, then any installer would need to have accredited training and also have system-specific training as well, to make sure that the systems are installed correctly so they perform to the best of their ability. By having these products installed, the homeowners would benefit from feeling their rooms heat up quicker, hold the heat for longer, and also more even spread of that heat throughout the property.